Hello, my name is Mike, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a backup user account from within your Syncro RMM dashboard. Now before we begin this video, I want to say that this is the nuclear option for getting rid of a backup account. And what I mean by that is that by using this script, it will delete the backup user account on the Magnus Box dashboard. And with that, all of the data that's attached to it. There is no way to recover that data if you run this script. So run the script at your own risk. Make sure when you run it that you've intended to use it. So we don't want any data getting accidentally deleted. So I just want to start that video by stating that. Another thing that I want to state is that before you try installing this script on your Syncro RMM dashboard, make sure you watch the laying the groundwork video, as you will be required to use those two things that we set up in the video to make this script work properly. So now that we've stated that, let's get started with setting up this script. So to do that, we're going to click on the scripts option here, and we're going to create a new script. We're going to call this one Magnus Box delete user account. And normally I don't put a description, but I'm going to put make sure you want to run this. All data will be deleted. So the file type for this one's going to be PowerShell. We're going to run this script as system, and we're going to keep the time at 10 minutes. Now we need to declare two variables, again like we did before. For this one, we're going to call it MBU for Magnus Box username. We're going to select platform for the variable type, and we're going to search Magnus in the value field here. And what we're looking for is customer custom fields. And for this one, I need customer custom fields Magnus Box username. We're going to add a second variable, and we're going to call this one MBP for Magnus Box password. We're going to select platform, and then as before, we're going to search Magnus. We're going to look for the password side of that customer custom fields. It's right here. So customer custom fields Magnus Box passwords. So we've declared our values. Now what we need to do is grab the script, and we need to grab that script from our GitHub page. This is a centralized repository of all the scripts that we write for the RMM platforms that integrate with Magnus Box. We'll always keep these scripts up to date and add more as we create them. In here we also have the instructions as well for all the scripts that we've written. So for this video, we're going to select the delete user one. Now you can copy it from here. However, I personally like to click on the raw code button. We're going to select all this data, and we're going to paste it into the script section of Syncro. As you can see here, we have some variables that we have to declare. It's here in the Edit Server Info Below section, and as I mentioned earlier, this is the nuclear option. All data will be deleted from this user account. I want to make sure that I state that a few times just for safety. We will not be able to recover the data. So in here, we're going to input our Magnus Box dedicated API user account, and luckily I have that right here. So I'm going to copy that. So my username for my API is mbsyncro, and the password, which will be getting changed after this video or by the time you watch this video. Not that I don't trust you guys, I just want to make sure that no one's messing with our development systems. And then server is going to be your Magnus Box Server URL, and you can find that here. And you just need the subdomain to the .com. Make sure there's nothing extra like I did there. I'll delete that /. And there we go. We're all set. So we're invoking a web request to your server using the API with a delete user command. And then we're selecting the user account here, which is going back to these variables that we declared, which then goes to the customer account that the device was attached to. So we're going to go ahead and create this script. And as we can see, the script was created successfully. So now we're going to jump over to Assets and RMM. And let's say I want to delete my backup account for these 4 devices. So as you can see on our DevOps server, we have 2 user accounts right now. So we're going to go ahead and check all of these, except that one, because that one's already been deleted. And we're going to run the delete user account script, and we're going to hit the Run Now button. And we can actually probably see this happening in real time. So one account was deleted, And there is the second account. So if we go back to our home screen here, we can see we have no user accounts, no devices, and everything has been completely deleted. So if you have any questions regarding this script or getting it set up or anything else, please don't hesitate to reach out to myself and my team at support@magnusbox.com. Thank you.